Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. Now what do you do with leftovers when everybody's tired of eating them? You hide them in a casserole and don't tell them. Welcome to Leftover Deluxe, Holiday Edition. Let's go. Ho, ho, ho. No, it's not Santa. It's Uncle Chris.
What you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking.
Yes, let's make a delicious casserole with leftovers from Thanksgivings and not tell them, because they'll eat it. All right, come on, let's start. First thing I'm going to do is get rid of some of this pasta. I'm going to take 2 boxes. Then I'm going to take the seasoning packet and do this, because we ain't using it. All right. I've got some leftover turkey. I've got a can of cream of chicken soup. I've got a couple onions. I don't need that potato. I also have some mushroom soup. If I need it, I'll use it. I've got some sour cream. I've got some half and half. I've got some butter. And I've got some green beans. I've also got a little bit of dressing left over from the 7-layer salad. Now, you don't have to make yours exactly how I'm making this, but use what you got. It's a leftover deluxe casserole. They'll never know. Oh, and I got some cheese to put on top of it at the end. And maybe something through it. All right. I'm going to very simply take this turkey, tear it up. I think I want to dice this up. I want it finer than this. All I'm doing is dicing this turkey up and putting it in my 9x12 casserole dish. I'm going to try to use as much of this turkey as I can, because I got to get rid of it. Because Christmas is coming up. And I'm going to do something different for Christmas, and I don't want to waste this turkey. Definitely don't want to do that. Okay, I'm going to chop the rest of this up. Then I'm going to show you how you add all this stuff together and make it into a casserole. Okay. Now that I got my turkey all chopped up, I'm going to dice up my onion. Sprinkle some in there as I go. I'm going to put the rest of my onions in. I'm going to take my 1 can of green beans, put those all in. Now, I'm going to take my leftover 7-layer salad dressing, which is not that much. I'm going to put that in here too, with the cream of chicken soup. Hope everybody can see how I'm doing that. Okay, get us a bit of a mix to get everything incorporated. Then I'm going to add what little half and half I have left into this. And mix it around slowly because we want to get this incorporated. Now, even though we seasoned our turkey at Thanksgivings, I want to put over top of this, right here, some garlic powder. Yes, yes, yes. About a good teaspoon and a half. Then we're going to put some parsley. We're going to keep it simple. Same amount. About a teaspoon and a half. Okay. Oh, we're going to kick it up a little notch. Some Parmesan cheese and sprinkle over top of this. Okay. Trust me on this one. All right. All right. I only put about a half cup over top. Okay. Now I'm going to take what's left of the sour cream in here and add it to this mixture in here. We're going to combine that. I'm going to put a little more from this other container because I don't know if it'll even last that long to Christmas. So I don't want to waste it, so we're going to use that too. Okay. Now I'm going to incorporate all this. Now I might have to add some more milk to this so that it's not so thick. Okay. I'm just getting it ready when we put our noodles in here. Because once we put everything in here, we're going to mix it all together and add our cheese. All right. That's good. One more thing I wanted to show you all. I'm adding some black pepper to this. You don't have to add it to taste. I've added a lot. We're going to mix that in. You can add any spices to this that you want to. Make it your own. And if you don't have green beans left over, you got peas, put that in it. If you got carrots, put those in. Even corn, put it in. Whatever veggie you got, broccoli, put it in. Yes. Now, I'm going to drain these noodles and we're going to combine everything and bake it. All right. Now, I've chopped up the butter, which is about a stick. But this is a big pan. I'm going to place that throughout it. Okay. So I've not used the whole stick, but I used about almost. Now, over top of that, I'm going to pour our noodles. Boy, those just jumped out of there, didn't they? Mm-hmm. That was almost really bad. Now, I'm going to put in our concoction. Now stir this around till everything gets good and mixed up. And then we're going to add about a cup or so of milk. I have it completely mixed together. Now I'm going to take my leftover cheese, put that right in here. I also have some leftover pepper jack cheese. You don't have to use these cheeses. You can if you want to. I'm just using what I have left over. I'm cracking this up and I'm going to mix it in as well. All right, I've mixed that in thoroughly. Now I'm going to add my milk. Now I'm just adding enough to make this not so thick and so it'll all meld together and have a nice sauce. I'm just covering this with the cheese I have left over, and I had some quesadilla cheese left over, so I'm going to use that and cover the top of this. All right. We're going to put this in the oven. I preheated it at 380 degrees. First, I'm going to cover it, bake it for about 45 minutes. Then, I'm going to uncover it and let it brown a little bit. All right. Let's go. Nieces and nephews, look at that. You know I have to. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh. Let's get some more of that goodness right there. Look at that. Look at that. Cheese bowl. All right. Nieces and nephews. Now this was an easy one. And it's fun. And if you don't tell them, they'll never know it's the leftovers from Thanksgivings. You know? No, you won't see me burn my mouth. For real, come on. Wow. This is good. Don't tell them it's leftovers. But I'm thinking it's something new you just created. Now, like I said, it doesn't have to be the exact ingredients. Use what you got left over. What I've shown you here, you can create a casserole out of anything that's left over. Just not the cranberry sauce. Don't put, no. Anyway, I want you to like, I want you to comment, I want you to subscribe. Oh, write to me at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. Send me your pictures of your Christmas lights or your Christmas dinner or what you're doing for the holidays, and I want to feature it on the show. Come on now, don't be scared. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris, Karen, Joe, Deborah, all my newbies out there. Thank you for joining the family. Love you so much. Bye-bye. Ho, ho, ho. No.